The day that we take out the teeth that the patient doesn't like or that are diseased, and at that very same time, we immediately put in a denture that's a healing denture. Put the patient to sleep, do the procedure, and when they wake up, they have a beautiful new smile. They will wear that healing denture, that immediate healing denture, for approximately 4 months. At the conclusion of 3 months, most of the healing is done, and we take the last few weeks, couple of weeks, to make them their final denture. It acts as a mold for the healing of the tissues underneath it. So I can literally make their jawbones and ridges just perfect because it does act as a mold for the healing. And so I started using the term healing denture, which is what it is. Some dentists, what they do is they take that immediate denture and they will reline it or add a second layer of acrylic to refit it, and the patient and that becomes their permanent denture, their standard denture. Other dentists say, wait a minute, let's do it more perfectly, and we'll have 2 separate prosthetics, the immediate denture and then a final denture. So I've always taken that second route because it's more precise and we can really get just a wonderful aesthetic result that way.